Welcome to the House of Mini. Now, today we will be discussing what are the different kinds of glues that we use to make miniatures and on what things can you apply it. Now, let's start with the silicone glue. This is the brand that I use, but any silicone glue is just fine. This is very good if you want to give a emboss effect. You're working with flowers. You want to work with filling up few places somewhere. This works amazing, uh, amazing. Well, then you have the normal all-purpose glue or whatever Fevicol. This MR1 is good for wood to wood, to joint wood to wood, wood to paper. This is good for most of the stuff. But well, sometimes it also doesn't stick so well when I am trying to fix maybe wood and resin or maybe wood and glass. It doesn't go that well, so sometimes what I have to do is use some other materials or other glues. This is Glossy Accent from Ranger. This works really good if one surface is a porous surface, say like the wood, cloth or paper, and the other surface is a non-porous surface, like let's say metal or ceramic, plastic, resin. So this binds these two to together really nicely. This is also for the same thing when the two surfaces are different. Like if it this will not work very nicely for porous to porous, like from wood to wood. This really doesn't help at all. But if there are two different surfaces, porous to a non-porous surface, as I've explained, if there is wood and there is silicone, if there is wood and there is ceramic, if there is wood and there is metal, it really goes well. This one really goes well with non-porous also, like silicone, like ceramic to ceramic, metal to metal, plastic to plastic, resin to resin. This might be a little expensive, but this one is a really good investment. Now, this one is not actually any different kind of a glue, but this is just a fine tip bottle that I have bought. What I do is I usually put in my Fevicol over here so that it doesn't spread much on my work. Because if you are going to start doing fine miniatures, the most important thing is that the glue should not be seen. So if you can find something like this, a small bottle with a fine tip, try and invest in it. Fill in your Fevicol in this bottle and try to use it whenever you can, so the least glue can be seen on your surfaces. uh yeah, so this is the different kinds of glues that I use for making different miniatures. If you have any questions, to ask me. Thank you.